clear, compliant with both YouTube and Temu guidelines on how to sell, not dropship, Temu products on Shopify. Script, are you wondering how to sell products you buy from Temu on your Shopify store? While Temu doesn't officially support dropshipping, you can still legally resell items. Here's how, in a safe, responsible way. First, go to Temu's app or website and select a product. Look for items with high ratings and favorable shipping timelines from their local or US warehouses if possible. Instead of placing an order directly to your customer, first order the item to yourself. This ensures you receive it, check quality, and can repackage it with your own branding if needed. Once you receive and approve the product, log into Shopify and create a product listing. Upload your own photos, write a unique description, and set your own pricing. Be sure to include your profit margin and maintain transparency about shipping times. When a customer orders from your store, place the order through Temu to your own address or to a trusted fulfillment partner. Then ship it yourself or via a third-party logistics, 3PL provider, using your own packaging. This maintains your brand identity and allows you to include personalized inserts or notes. Always communicate realistic shipping times to your customers. Temu can take 7 to 15 days for delivery. Update your store policies accordingly to manage expectations. Finally, focus on driving sales through marketing, like running ads, building an email list, or using influencers, and test product demand with low upfront inventory risk. Why this approach works. Complies with Temu's terms. You're buying as a regular consumer, not misusing their platform for automation or reselling.